Welcome guys, so today I am with the Nokia X10 and I will show you a few camera tips and tricks for this device. Okay, so when you open the camera application at the first, as you can see, we can tap on the screen, and when this sun icon shows, you can decrease or increase brightness level by moving it like that. You can also tap on the screen once to adjust it automatically. Another tip will be about the zoom feature. Let's switch for the photo mode, it works the same. So right here we can zoom in with the two fingers by pinching screen, and we can zoom, as you can see, to the 8 times. And as you can see, the quality of this zoom is actually really good. That's sharp. We can spot all of this marking on the Huawei Mate 50 Pro camera. When you take a look, like right here, it's ultra aperture sun camera. But you can also zoom in by clicking and holding already selected preset. And as you can see, you can make it just like that with your one finger. So we can, for example, spot the texture that is on the back of the Huawei Mate 50 Pro. I'm actually surprised with the quality of the zoom on this phone. It looks really good. Okay, another tip will be about the volume buttons that you can find right here on this side. So take a look. When you press volume up or volume down, you are going to take photo. When you click and hold volume up, you are going to record video. When you are going to release that button, the video will be finished. The same for the volume down button. When you click and hold on the shutter, you are going to also to record the video, but you can move your finger to this lock, and after that you are able to take photos while recording. You can zoom in or zoom out. As you can see, it works very smooth and looks really great actually. To zoom out, we have to just drag with our finger to the left side. We can pause the video or just simply continue and finish. So that was the function of the photo mode and the shutter. When you click in this place, you can add the beautify mode, so basically like get more smooth look. When you click in this place, you can enable shutter countdown between 3 or 10 seconds. And after this time the photo will be taken. When you click right here, you can turn on the motion photos. When you select this option right here, you can switch from the 4x3 12 megapixel to the 4x3 48 megapixel. And let's try and take a look how it works. We can focus, for example, on this Huawei camera, and let's see how many details we can catch. And also let's make comparison with the 12 megapixel. As you can see, I'm holding the phone in the same position. So this photo was taken with the 12 megapixel mode. Looks really good. And let's go for the 48 megapixel. Now we can focus, for example, maybe on this place, on this flashlight. So we can also spot the texture, the round texture that comes around the flashlight right here and right here. And let's go back for the 12 megapixel photo. Oh, I just go back from the gallery. As you can see, definitely right here we cannot spot the details, but when you go for the 48 megapixel mode, we can find it. So it's definitely useful to use this 48 megapixel mode. It gives us definitely more details right here. So that's the cheap phone, but the camera possibilities are really nice. Let's go for the settings, where you can, for example, turn off the camera shutter sound. You can enable the grid lines. As you can see right now, they appear on the screen and they help us to take better composition on the photos. Next, we can scroll down and change function of on the shutter, so we can record video, but we can also take the burst shot. Take a look. We can take 20 photos in each series. And that's all from the settings. There's nothing more interesting actually. We can go for the more modes, where we can find, for example, the UI side. And if you wonder what it is, when you open, just take a look. As you can see right now, we get preview from the two cameras at the same time. So we can record the rear camera and the front camera. You can switch theme of it. So for example, you can get like the picture in the picture. You can just split the screen. When you double click, nothing is going to happen. When you rotate the camera, you can change the position of the front and the rear camera. You can try to zoom in and zoom out right here. And there's also the information icon that shows you how it works. Okay, let's turn it off. And that's it. That's my tips and tricks for camera on the Nokia X10. If you find this video helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.